So let's start by showing you the Quiz.Coach main page. So the user will start off looking at all the possible quizzes here. As you can see on the left-hand side, the user can pick an avatar with an icon or character of their choice. This is the quiz page that we're showing here, demonstrating all the possible quizzes. And again, we're going to focus on the medical imaging library quiz. On the left, this is the home page, which demonstrates the user's statistics. And this is the coach page, which we'll show later on. As you can see on the bottom left, the user can accumulate points and move on from level to level because we want to create a gaming type experience to make the experience more interactive. Let's demonstrate the medical imaging library quiz set. So as you can see here, the quiz set is divided into different organ systems and different types of questions. On the left, if the user clicks this button here, they can generate a randomized quiz encompassing all these different sections. However, if the user wants to test a specific section, such as, for example, the central nervous system, the user can select subspecialty questions, such as ophthalmology and ENT. So here is an example question from Quiz.Coach. The user can read the question prompt, and in this question, there is a medical image associated with this question. The user can click on the medical image to enlarge and see the CT scan better, and we hope to have a scrolling feature for more interactive and more interesting type questions. Clicking out, the user can also see there's a timer associated with the question and track their progress. Here, this is question number 10 out of 20. And the user can click on the choice that they think is correct and lock in the answer. So now we're in the correction modes, and this is a different question demonstrating an obstructing stone in the left distal ureter. So the student can see all the possible choices and see the choice that they picked in this mode compared to the true answer, which is here, and the false answers, or they can choose just to see the right answer for faster review. If you click here on the right, the explanation pops up with a larger image with a caption that explains with arrows what the finding is and associated things that the student should know. In addition, the user can pick which questions they like by putting them in this box and clicking this, which will allow them to use this question in the future. This flag here allows the user to make comments or ask questions. So here, the user homepage, the user can see the various statistics of the exams that they've taken. One unique thing about Quiz.Coach is there's a coaching mode where the user can have an online virtual coach which tells them which areas they need to work on and recommend different quizzes to help them improve. Now we can look at individual quiz statistics. The user can actually pick which category and see how they've performed in that particular category. For example, endocrinology type questions. And then clicking on the box here, this is that box that we referred to where stored questions that the user likes can be used for future reference and they can be taken again. In the administrator role, the teacher can follow the progress of the students, answer their comments, and assign new questions for the students to do. So now let's transition and show you the Quiz.Coach video collection on YouTube. As you can see here, we have a collection of various radiology topics in French, and they all are under or around 2 minutes because our concept is to keep the video short to explain a concept in a concise manner that the user can digest and learn. The ultimate goal is to integrate both the Quiz.Coach platform and bring these videos into the quiz platform so that explanations to questions can be done via video for a more interactive user experience. The goal of Quiz.Coach is to increase access to radiology education in the global community. If there are further questions, please contact us at contact@quiz.coach. Thank you very much for watching our presentation.